Liuxin High School in Taiwan. We are here to share with you our experiences and why this school is the best place for international students like you to grow, study, and succeed.
One of the best part of our school is the structure of our semester, which is we work 3 months and study 3 months. During the 3 months of our study, it doesn't mean that we only study, but we also have a part-time job. The school provides us a part-time job for us to earn income every month. And during our 3 months of internship, we all have works on different companies. It depends on what department we belong to,
which are Bakery Department and Information Technology Department. We are from IT Department and the knowledge we gain here is really hands-on.
The teachers here, including Director Wang Chongwen, encourage us to help to study more and help us more further.
Besides our IT studies, we have also a Mandarin class, which helps us communicate with people around in Taiwan. It is very important to learn Mandarin here in Taiwan because not all the people here in Taiwan are able to speak English.
In addition to our studies, we have a rich multicultural experience. There are many overseas students here such as Indonesian, Vietnam, Myanmar, and many more.
This gives us a chance to make friends all over the Southeast Asia and learn from each other's culture.
Here in Liuxin High School, we have the opportunity to work part-time jobs after school. This allows us to help ourselves and send money back home to our family and to relatives. It's a great way to learn financial responsibility and gain more work experience while still studying.
A special thanks to our director, Mr. Wang Chongwen, who has been an incredible mentor.
We hope that our experiences here at Liuxin High School helps you to choose this school. Make sure that you choose this school as your top choice. This is a place where you can get a high-quality education,
gain real-world work experience,
and become part of a multicultural community.
So come and join us and create your own amazing journey here.
We're looking forward to see you on September 2025. See you soon. Bye-bye.